Hi, and welcome to week 13 and 14. So, we're actually diving into our ECE STEAM toolkit. I am really excited to see this culminating project for our work together. So, there are pretty explicit directions on how to create your toolkit. You're focusing on 8 manipulatives. Uh, Again, there are guidelines on how to select your manipulatives. You want them to be basically play-based activities, open-ended materials, it can be loose parts, they can be purchased materials. Again, you don't want them to be worksheets that you're going to use for a math activity and a science activity. Each manipulative is used twice for with 3 and 4 year olds. And you want the activity that you create for the children to connect to the Texas pre-kindergarten guidelines. There are there's a detailed explanation of what you should put in your toolkit. Your toolkit is a narrated PowerPoint. It should be 18 slides, full of pictures and other information that describes how you're going to set up these activities for these 8 manipulatives. So I am really excited to see the culmination of our work together and the ideas that you create. These ideas, these activities don't have to originate with you. As early childhood teachers, we often use other resources. And you are welcome to use other resources. Just please, if you use a resource, whether it be a book, a magazine, a source from the internet to think of your idea or as an inspiration for your activity, please cite that source. Please give that person credit. So include either the website or include the source on your slide. Your PowerPoint, your slide deck should be narrated, so we can have a description of what your activity is, what the material is, how you're using it, and there's pretty detailed directions about what that information should be included on each of the slides, the connection to the Texas pre-kindergarten guidelines, explicitly stating your learning goal, describing how the children will use the manipulative, ensuring that it's a play-based, open-ended, inquiry-focused exploration of the manipulative in the activity. Again, one being math uh, focused for each manipulative, and then one being science or engineering. So you're using each manipulative twice. So it's 8 manipulatives for 16 activities. So please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. I'm really excited to see what you're creating. Uh, and I hope you have a wonderful week and actually 2 weeks because you have 2 weeks to work on this project. Have a wonderful day. Be well.